Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. So I finally got up the nerve to try to see if I can attempt a perm rod set on my hair. Many years ago when I first became natural, I attempted a perm rod set and the outcome was a disaster. So here we are many years later and I decided to attempt the perm rod set. So these are the perm rods that I'm using. I'm not sure what size these are, but these are the gray ones. And 60 comes in a pack. They are wrapped individually and packed in 6 packs. I'm going to probably only use the 3 packs, maybe 3 packs and a half. We'll just see how it kind of goes. I'm only going to use one actual product, and that is going to be the Lotta Body Mousse. This is one of my favorite hair mousses to use. I'm also, which I did not show, going to use my spray bottle with water. I remember back in the day when I had processed hair or permed hair, I used to do perm rods all the time and the outcome was just absolutely gorgeous. And I remember that I would only use just hair mousse and water and I got the look that I desired. So this time with the natural hair, I'm going to do the same, only use mousse and water. I think many years ago when I first became natural and I tried this particular hair look, I also applied maybe some other product, and it really just gave me that weighed down look that I'm not going for. So here we are. I'm just rolling my hair up. I'm doing this as gentle as I possibly can because of the state of my hair, which you guys know if you've been following along with me in my diary regarding of course my hair here. It took me overall to roll up my hair maybe a good 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes tops. So I started at 6 and I was pretty much done by 7. I do not have a rhyme or reason in the way that I rolled each piece of hair. I just did it how I used to do it back in the day when I had permed hair. I just went to rolling. I didn't necessarily create a lot of straight parts because of the particular look that I'm going for. It don't even matter. Parts aren't going to be showing. Now that I've gotten done rolling up my hair, I did go in with a little bit more mousse and a little more water because I do know my hair typically loves water, so this allowed me to be able to give it as much water as it liked. Back in the day, I would usually do it on drenching wet hair, but of course, that's not where we are. So I only use the 3 packs here that you guys see. They are empty. This is the next day. I gave my hair about 15 hours to air dry, so this is overnight. So I'm just going in and I am unraveling the rollers here. I did speed up the video, so that's why it looks like it's going uber duper fast. But please know that your girl was super gentle with the removal of the perm rods. So this was really quick. I didn't have a lot of hair breakage in unraveling these perm rods. I think I might have 1 or 2 perm rods that may have had a little hair on them, but nothing to make me nervous. So I'm super happy about that. That makes my heart smile a whole lot, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, just going in, nothing spectacular. Don't take a rocket scientist at all. Just unraveling the rollers as you guys clearly see here. I do like the way that my hair looks. I can't front with just water in the mousse. My hair looks really good. I can't remember the last time I've seen my hair look so good. It looks, just the health of my hair, the way that it looks, that's what looks good. So that gives me some peace because I was very concerned, as you guys know, and I was really considering just doing a tapered cut and just cutting it all off all over again, and that's not something I really want to do. But yeah, so here we are. We're down to the last 2 rollers, so I'm super excited about that. FYI, if you decide to do a perm rod set on permed hair or processed hair, to sleep on these things is a hot mess. It is absolutely uncomfortable. I tossed and turned all night. I forgot how hard these things are because it's just been so many years. But if you have a hair dryer, I just say if you can sit up under the hair dryer and let your hair get completely dry, that's probably the best option versus sleeping in them overnight. It's not going to be a comfortable process at all. So after unraveling a few of these curls with my hands, I did go in with my handy dandy hair pick, and I did kind of just lift the roots up. My hair is short, so I try to style this hair best I can, but I must say I'm not really pleased. I don't like the look of the results, and maybe because my hair is short. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.